Yeah, good morning, my learners. Hope you are fine at home. Welcome to our social studies, grade 5. Hope you enjoy it. Our topic today is people and population. But today we are going to learn about language groups in Kenya. In Kenya we have 42 language groups which speak different languages. In Kenya, the 42, but today we are going to talk about some of them. Number one, we have the Bantus. Number two, we have the Nilotes. Number three, we have the Semites. We have the Cushites. And we have the Asians. Europeans. In Kenya, most of the groups are the Africans. The majority are the Africans. The Bantus, they are divided into two groups. These are the Western and the Eastern Bantus. Nilotes, most of them they were pastoralists. The Semites also they were pastoralists. The 42 language groups, they speak the language group, they share similar words. For example, the Agikuyu, they say, like for when we say a person, they say mundu. They say mundu. The Ameru, they say muntu. The Abagusi, they say omonto. The Michikenda, they say mtu. The Abaluya, they say omundu. When you see these words, they have similar words. They are similar. For example, the Agikuyu, they say mundu, muntu, omonto, abagusi, Michikenda, muntu, the Abaluya, omundu. These are the same. They say they have same similar words. Those are what we call the language groups in Kenya. These are the different communities, but they share same similar words. That's what we call language groups in Kenya. We have many the Asians, but the majority in Africa, we have the majority are the Africans in most of the countries in Africa. But they share some similar words. Those are what we call the language groups in Kenya. We are going to know the activities like the Bantus. The Bantus, most of them were cultivators. They grew cash crops. They grew the perishable goods which are sold in the market. Most of them they were farmers. They do farming. The Nilotes, they keep animals. This helps. These are one of the economic activities which they do. The Cushites, most of them keep cows for milk, and this helps them to grow in terms of economic. The Asians, most of them were the traders and the Europeans. So for today, that's what we were learning about the language groups in Kenya. and we have known that most of them are Africans. And the Africans, they share some similar words, and that's why they are called language groups in Kenya. Next, our lesson, we are going to learn about the Bantu, the Western Bantu, and the Eastern Bantu. And we are going to deal with the Nilotes, the River Lake Nilotes, and the Kushites. And we are going to know how they are different types of Kushites, the Nilotes, like the River Lake Nilotes. These are just one. They are just one that they are just Nilotes. We have one tribe which are River Lake Nilotes, like the Luo. Thank you for listening to my lesson. Next time we are going to start from there, and hope you have enjoyed my lesson today. Thank you. Stay safe and sanitize yourself. God will do the rest.